In this video series, we'll be installing ROCKWOOL CAVITYROCK and a variety of cladding attachment systems. In this specific video, we'll feature ROCKWOOL CAVITYROCK installed with the Ferro Masonry VTie system. The VTie is attached to the connector plate embedded in a horizontal mortar joint of the masonry wall. The connector plates come in a variety of sizes depending on the thickness of the exterior insulation. Step 1. Measure spacing. The first step when installing any cladding attachment system is to measure and mark out the attachment spacing to make sure you fasten to the steel stud structure. Step 2. Install connector plates. Next, install the connector plates to the backup wall at 16 inches on center, or as required by the structural engineer. Step 3. Install the insulation retention systems. Ensure the VTie attachments are plumb and properly spaced. It is important that there are no voids or gaps in the insulation in order to maintain thermal barrier continuity. Step 4. Construct wall.
The hangers, they slide in and then they set into your masonry and they're able to adjust up and down to align with your course. Although you would lay your spacing out to suit the type of masonry.
You're now ready to install the cladding system